Hello students, we are starting with the new subject of EVS. In EVS we are going to do movement of a body. Yes, movement of a body. Movement means what we do with our body. Means I am lifting my hand. This is the movement. I am turning my neck like this. So this is the movement. What is the means I am using my neck to turn the face. What is going on behind that I have seen. Yes, this is the movements. What we do. If we walk, that is the movement. If we eat, that is the movement. Yes. So in movement of our body we are going to do our body help us to do a lot of movements. You walk, you ride, you jump, you skip, you throw the ball. Yes, you do many things a lot. If you get up also, that is the movement also. Yes, so there are a few examples, that is walk, run, then bend, eat, and ride. When you bend, when is something fallen down, means your pencil is fallen down, so you bend in the classroom or you bend at your home to pick up that thing, so you use your waist, so that is the bend. bend, bend. So the first movement we are going to learn, that is movement of our hands. Yes, so what is the sentence is telling, that we have two arms. These two arms that are joined with our hands. These two arms are joined with our hands. Our hand help us in many ways. What you can do with your hand? You can eat, you can write, you can draw a picture, you can throw, you can catch, you can hold the things. Yes, you can do many things with your hands. So let's see the examples that we can clap. Yes, when there is birthday of your friend, so you celebrate your birthday, celebrate your friend's birthday while clapping the hands and saying the birthday song. Yes, then you throw the ball. Yes, when your friend is standing on opposite, आपका friend कोई सामने आपके खड़ा है and you are throwing the ball towards him. Then next is when the teacher tells you to draw something, so you use your hands. Then is pick up, as I said, if something fallen down, so you pick up something things, so with the help of your hands. So next one is we are going to learn, that is movement of our legs. So as throughout the day you do many things, you walk, you run, you jump, you skip, you kick the balls. Yes, so let's see what does the sentence says. We have two legs. Yes, we have two legs. Our leg bent at the knee and ankles. Yes, our legs bends and the knee. If you stand straight and you will fold your hands, you can see that you have a knee that is bending towards. Yes, that the leg is full bending, and the ankle. Then the toes of our feet can also bend. You can see that our hands is bending like this, so our toes also bending. If you want to try, you can try it, that the sentence is right. आप try करके भी देख सकते हो कि आपके toes means जो पैर के fingers वो bend भी होते हैं. Yes, so the sentence is telling correct. So let's see the example, what the examples give us, that what the movement we use with our legs. So we can sit, then we can climb. Yes, we can climb, we can kick the ball, and we can jump. So the next movement we are going to learn, the movement of our neck. Yes, if when we are talking about movement of our neck, there is only four movement, that is upward, downward, sideways, left side, and right side, that is the sideways. Yes, so if you want to see the sky in the night, you have to see the moon, so you will raise your neck upward. Yes, you are using your neck to see the sky, so that is that is the movement that you are looking upwards. Yes, so the second movement is that if you want to see something, what is going behind. Yes, what is going behind. So you will use your neck like this. Then if you want to pick up something, so you will see down. Yes, so that is the neck movement. So the next one is, if you want to see the sideways, that is left and that is right. This is the movement of a neck. So the next one is we are going to learn is movement of a waist. So when we bend our waist, so always when we do exercise in schools, so we keep our hand on the waist and we bend forward, then backward, then sideways, then that sideways, yes, and we rotate our waist also while keeping our hands on the waist, yes. So these are the movement of our waist as we do in the exercise in PT period, that is moving front, backward, left and right, or we rotate also, that is also the movement of our waist, yes. Then it is come to the second last content, that is take care. So how we will take care, that we will see. We must take care of ourselves while playing, or we may fall and get hurt and break our bones. So many times happen that children are so much busy in playing, so they forget about that they have gotten hurt. You get hurt here, something fracture happens, so you have to take care of yourself when you are playing. We are not telling that you don't have to play, you can play, but in a limit, that you should take care of yourself, yes. ऐसी जगह पे मीन्स कोई शार्प चीज ऐसा उठाओ नहीं, या फिर जैसे आपको हर्ट हो जाए, yes. Next comes to exercise. So the first one is match the column. So there is the option. So for hand, what we will do? Turning behind? No. Bending to take something? Yes. But bend? No. Catching something? Yes, we can catch. Or cycling? No. So the catching something. Now legs. Now legs we use for turning behind? No. Bending to take something? No. Cycling? Yes. In cycling we use our legs. So cycling. Neck. Neck is used for turning behind. Yes. If someone is calling you from behind, so you will turn your neck like this. So that is turning behind. That is right. Waist. Last one, bending to take something. Now is exercise 2, true or false. We use our hands to hold things. Yes, true. We get up with the help of our hands too. We can lift a pen without bending. If you are standing like this and something is fallen down, you can pick up like this. No, that is false. Our elbow help us to bend our hands. You can see this is my elbow and it help us to bend my hand. That is true. Okay. Now exercise. Answer the following. Write any 5 things you can do with your hands. That is write, clap, throw, eat and draw. Write any 5 things you can do with your legs. What you can do with your legs? Walk, dance, run, jump and kick. Which part of your body help us to look behind? Which part of body help us to hands, legs, face? Does it do? No. Neck help us to uh, look behind. Yes. Which part of your body help us to bend? That is waist. Yes. Now dictation word. Movement, throughout, bend, dance, joint, throw, cycle, ankles, waist, backward, ourselves, bones. Yes, that much. Now activity, you have to take a A4 size chart paper of any color, stick any 6 body movement. Whatever, you know that there are many body movements, so whatever you want, you can stick any 6 body movement. After sticking, you have to name it what the body movement it is. वो कौन सा body movement है? That as I have shown that some girl is eating, so I have written eat. So in this way you have to write there. And when you are sticking the 6 body movement, you have to keep it understand that you have to write the topic name, what is that chapter, that is movement of a body. You have to write that full lesson name, movement of a body, on the heading, and on the back side of the chart paper you have to write your name. Yes. Now homework, read and write the exercise in EVS notebook, and then read and write the dictation word. You have to write the dictation word 2 times in your EVS book, and you have to learn it very nicely. Okay. Thank you.